15 amazing facts about chocolates. 15. White chocolate is not technically chocolate, as it does not contain any cocoa solids. 14. Chocolate contains a chemical called phenylethylamine, which can cause feelings of attraction and love. 13. The average American eats about 12 pounds of chocolate each year. 12. The word chocolate comes from the Aztec word chocolatl, which means bitter water. 11. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which are antioxidants that have been linked to lower blood pressure and improved heart health. 10. Chocolate comes from the seeds of the Theobroma cacao tree, which means food of the gods in Greek. 9. The first chocolate bar was invented in 1847 by Joseph Fry. 8. The world's largest chocolate bar weighed over 12,000 pounds and was made in Armenia in 2010. 7. Chocolate contains a small amount of caffeine, but not as much as coffee or tea. 6. Dark chocolate contains flavonoids, which can help lower blood pressure and improve blood flow. 5. The melting point of chocolate is just below the average human body temperature, which is why it melts in your mouth. 4. The Aztecs believed that chocolate was an aphrodisiac and even used it in their marriage ceremonies. 3. Chocolate contains theobromine, which is toxic to dogs and can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and even death. 2. The world's most expensive chocolate bar, made by a company called Toic, costs $385 for a single bar. 1. The Swiss eat more chocolate per capita than any other country in the world. Thanks for watching.